Tiff. What is freaking up, you guys? Oh my freaking goodness gracious. How is it Christmas? Like, you guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy anything you're celebrating. But can we just talk about how today is Christmas? Like, what? Today we are doing a what I got for Christmas. If you guys like watching these videos, give me a huge thumbs up. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram yet, you guys should at MissTiffanyMa. Also, comment of the day. I want you guys to let me know down below what is your guys' New Year's resolution. Next year, I want to work on being truly, genuinely happy. I know I am a happy person, but some days I find myself being negative to myself. So that is what I want to work on this year. Let's go ahead and get started. Woo! Wow, that intro made me so thirsty. Alright guys, let's start off with things I bought myself. I normally don't really buy myself things. I'm not gonna lie, I'm the type of person that doesn't really spend a lot of money on myself. And these two things that I bought myself for Christmas this year are definitely things that I have been wanting for a really long time, and I just thought it would be too expensive for myself. But I bit the bullet, finally did it because I got some like awesome sales on Sephora. The first thing I got myself is a Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. I have been taking really good care of my hair ever since my hair went from like platinum blonde to silver to like brunette. So I figured I should finally get myself a hair dryer that's like a little bit better for your hair. And I kind of want to do a test where I do like a $400 blow dryer versus like a $10 blow dryer. Let me know if you guys like want to see that type of video. I don't know, I'm just super excited about this guy. So I'm really happy I got this. The next thing I got myself is the La Mer moisturizing cream. I just love skincare. That is what I collect. If you guys went inside my beauty closet, I hoard skincare products. In high school, I had really bad acne. I went on Proactive. That helped a bunch. Ever since then, I'm trying to take really good care of my skin. I think I'm gonna do a science experiment with this product. So if you guys want to see me do that, let me know down below. The next thing I got for myself is something that I'm so excited about. If you guys know, my best friend Mia just came out with merch that has Ken's booty on it. Ken is like one of my favorite dogs. I feel like Ken's like third godmother. Like, I'm sure Ken has a lot of godparents. I just wish that Ken and Zoey were best friends, but they do not like each other for some reason. It makes me really sad. So my way of bringing Ken home to my house is picking up some Ken merch. We got myself a Ken calendar. Oh my god, you guys, I don't even want to like spoil it for you guys. These are like the cutest photos of Ken ever. This is a Ken the Corgi calendar. That is not the only Ken the Corgi thing that I got. I also got myself a Ken the Corgi sweater. It is like the cutest yellow color. This is like the type of yellow that I love. So this has a giant Ken in the front and a giant Ken butt in the back. The next thing I got for Christmas is from Alicia. I went to Big Bear with 9 of my friends on YouTube, and Alicia happened to be my secret Santa, and she literally gave me the best Christmas gift I could ever ask for. Like, what? What? Literally best Christmas gift ever. You guys are not ready to see this. This is a Christmas sweater with Zoey's face on it. Oh my god. What? This is so freaking adorable. This is actually a photo of her as a puppy. I think she was like maybe 4 months old, and she still looks like this. She's just like bigger than this. She's like 16 pounds now. The next thing I got for Christmas is from Adeline Morin, one of my favorite girls on YouTube. I freaking love her to pieces. Adeline surprised everyone on the Big Bear trip and gave everyone sweaters that is girls supporting girls in pink. I don't know if they're still selling these, but it's so cute, and I love this because I can wear it as a dress. This is so cute. But the next present that I got is from my babe, DIY queen herself, more DIY. Lauren gave a bunch of us sweaters as well, and this is the DIY babe sweater. This is in a size extra small. It's just like light lavender purple color. It is like the prettiest purple ever, and the back of it is so cool. It has like a hologram scissor behind it. Like, what? Honestly, I think this is like one of the cutest things she's ever come out with. The next thing I got is from Steve Aoki. I don't have words for this, but literally Steve Aoki got me Christmas presents. As you guys know, I was actually in Steve Aoki's music video with BT freaking S. I don't deserve that at all. If you guys watched it, shout out to you guys. Let me know down below, did you guys watch the music video that I'm in? I'm like in it for like not even 7 seconds, that's a lie. I'm in it for like 0.05 milliseconds, but I'm still in it and I'm still proud that I'm in it. So guys, check it out if you guys want. Aoki gave me some items from his line de Mac. I just got a sweater, which I think is so cool because I can like tuck it into my mom jeans. And then I got a white hoodie from him. This is the back of the hoodie. This is so cool. It literally says Bruce Lee on the sleeves. The next thing I got for Christmas is definitely hands down one of my favorite gifts that I got this year. And it is literally a tin of special baked homemade cookies from Matt's sister Jennifer. I don't know if you guys know this about me. I'm a cookie fiend. I'm a cookie monster. If I could, I would make my own line of cookies because I don't love anything as much as I love cookies and candy. Just thinking about these cookies, like I don't even want to open it right now because I ate 4 of these the second she gave them to me. I freaking love her. Jennifer, if you're watching this, thank you so much for this gift. This was her Christmas gift. She like wrapped it super cutely. She's also like the most aesthetic person ever. And she gave me not 1, not 2, not 3, but 5 different types of cookies. What? We have the sugar cookie, the Christmas crack, a peanut butter cookie, red velvet cookies. I want to eat this sugar cookie. This is why I didn't open this. Holy cow, those are so good. The next Christmas gift that I got is from my manager and my management team. They got me a fancy candle from Le Labo. Such a luxurious, cool, trendy, aesthetic brand. It's so minimalistic, but it smells amazing. This is the candle. Like, look at that packaging. Oh my god, I can smell this from like a mile away. It smells so good though. So the next thing I got for Christmas is from my little Megan. As you guys know, I was in a sorority and my sorority is Katie. I was a Kappa Delta and my little, who I honestly am like best friends with, she got me, oh my god, you guys are gonna freaking find this hilarious. She got me Frenchie French Bulldog Poloids. This is crazy because this is something I would totally 1000% love. Not gonna lie though, that's not even the best part of the gift because the best part of the gift is coming up. These are French Bulldog pink and blue cups that you like drink out of. These are so cute. The next presents that I got are from Matthew, which is my boyfriend. So Matt totally spoiled me this year. Let me just start with gifts that I literally was so excited for. He like gave me stocking stuffers. I got candy for my stocking stuffers. I freaking love candy. Now, for like the real gifts, we got a lot of stuff from Matt. So the first thing we got is a fanny pack that is from Adidas. It has like a large front pocket and then it has a cool smaller front pocket for like your wallets, like whatever you need that's super important. I was literally thinking about fanny packs and I was literally thinking that I don't have a black fanny pack. And of course, what happens? I got a black fanny pack. The next thing Matt got me are some slippers. My feet are always cold and he knows that about me because I always put my cold feet all over his warm body. I'm always losing slippers, they're always getting dirty. And then last but not least, Matt also got me a diffuser. He bought me a little air diffuser and he also bought me some essential oils that I can put inside of there. And he was like, the lavender one would totally help you with your sleeping habits, but I literally can't wait to come home and like use these. Inside of this aromatherapy, there are 6 scents. There's tea tree oil, peppermint, orange, lemongrass, lavender, and eucalyptus. The next thing I got from Christmas is from my family. So my family knows I don't normally lose my wallet, but lately I've been losing my wallet a lot. And so they got me a tile. If you guys have never heard of it, it's super cool. Like it's like a keychain that you put on your keys or you can put it in your wallet. Say you lost your keys on your phone, you can track your keys by like pushing a button. So the next 2 things I got for Christmas are definitely gonna be from brands, but I just wanted to shout them out because I feel like I have really close ties to these brands and I really love the people behind these brands. So the first thing I got is from Benefit. Benefit gave us all gag gifts and I'm not gonna lie, I love gag gifts. I love gifts that are like funny, gifts that like people wouldn't normally get for themselves but are just like super funny and useful to have. So they gave me a Drinking Buddies drink marker. So like if you're drinking wine with your friends, you like put these like little naked men on the wines so that like you know which wine is yours, but they all have different names on their butt. I have a Mitch, a Brad, and a Josh. And then they also gave me an uh-oh emergency underpants. This will come in handy if I ever like accidentally poop in my pants, which I'm not gonna lie, has happened when I was like 13 years old, and that's just a different story. The next thing I got for Christmas is from Kiss Nails. As you guys know, I've worked with Kiss a lot in the past. They gave me a Venus et Fleur roses. These roses smell so amazing. If you guys have never heard of Venus et Fleur, I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm probably butchering it. These roses literally last an entire year. They like somehow dip these roses in chemicals, which makes them last a lot longer than like normal roses. These are so pretty. Yeah, so that is everything that I got for Christmas. Oh my god, I literally feel so blessed and so thankful that I got all of these presents. So if you guys made it to the end of this video and you guys are literally listening to my voice, what I want you guys to do is comment down below a Christmas tree emoji, just so that I know that you guys made it to this part of the video. I just love seeing like how many of you guys actually made it. I love you guys so much. Bye guys! Bye!